Hello and welcome to my tutorial today, which I am going to be teaching you how to make this little chocolate treat box, and it holds a Kit Kat chocolate. My name is Rhonda Fawcett from Matamata, New Zealand. Thank you for joining me today. What we need to do this box with is some petal pink cardstock measuring 20 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and some early espresso card measuring 3 centimeters by 24.5 centimeters, and then just a couple of small scrap pieces of card. You need some soft suede big enough to cut out the word chocolate, and some Whisper White, and we're going to punch a shape out of that for the front of the belly band. On my samples I used a retired what was it called, Pretty Label punch and the matching stamp set, but today we're going to use a tailored tag punch, and I am using the Nothing's Better Than stamp set, which is one of my favorite stamp sets at the moment. Okay, so let's get started. So you'll need your petal pink card 20 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and we are going to score it in landscape position. I'll just put the measurements there for you. At 7 centimeters and then 8 centimeters. I'll leave that there. Actually, I'll put it up again so that you can actually see it. So landscape position, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and 16 centimeters. I just need to bring out the arm. 16's right on the join, and then you're going to turn it 90 degrees, and you're going to do 1 centimeter at each side, and then the other side as well, 1 centimeter down there. That's all that you need for the base there. So those measurements again. Which way is easier to see? Yep. And I have highlighted on a piece of card so you can actually see my score lines. So now we're going to cut an angle away for the inside, so that when we go to lift our chocolate out, I'll just show you on here again. I'll bring my belly band up. This one's a little bit tricky. There we go. So it's cut out so it's easy to grab something. Otherwise this would be right up to there and be hard to sort of grab the chocolate to pull it out. Right. Put that back in place. We are going to, at the small end, first of all we'll cut away some pieces. So at the small end we're going to cut away up this line here, past the first horizontal score line to the second horizontal score line, and cut that piece out. And again on the other side, past the first one, cut out at the second horizontal score line. And then these two horizontal score lines will just cut that much away, and again on the other side. Now on this bigger end here we are going to be measuring 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters up. So 2.5, and we're going to be cutting from here right down to the inside score line there. So cutting along that I'll put it in my trimmer and just cut from there to there so that that gets taken away there. Now we're going to stamp randomly all over the outside edge, and I'll just take that away so you can see my sample there. So we've cut that and stamped randomly all over it, and now it's just a matter of putting the box together. So start with this end. I find it easier if I put the little tabs onto the inside, so that onto the outside, so that you, when the box is all folded up, you don't actually see that little tab. Otherwise it can get caught on the inside and just be a bit of a pain. So whoops, a little bit more on here. There we go. So fold that one in first, the inside one. Then we're going to do the little tab. Then we will do this final one. Didn't hold that down long enough. There we go. Got that box shape good now. Okay, so now we can make the belly band. So the belly band, as I said, was 3 centimeters by 24.5 centimeters, and I have scored it at 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and then 17.3 and 18.5 centimeters. Right, so now I need to just press this down a bit more. It's not quite stuck. Now we can put this band around, and it's good to have the join at the front because it just makes everything look a lot tidier. So just fold it around your box, put some adhesive at the front there, make sure it's even, and press that down. I'm actually going to put a chocolate inside mine. It's easier to actually put this inside because then you've got something hard to press against. Let's try that again. Now instead of pressing against the empty box, I can press against that. There we go, much easier. And I've punched out a label with the Taylor Tag punch. First of all, I stamped "Today's the plan, consume," and I have used the little squiggles that are from the coffee steam stamp just to give a little bit of decoration on either side, so that can just be glued and cover the join mark there. Does that look central enough? And then I have stamped the little chocolates and die cut them out, so we'll just glue them to the top. Like that, and then you need to die cut the word chocolate and stamp, die cut it and glue it underneath. And then that's the end. That's finished. A quick and easy chocolate treat holder. Hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, and yeah, just have fun making. Thanks for watching. Bye.